Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about regular expressions in Python. Regular expressions, or regex, are sequences of characters that define search patterns in strings. They are utilized in programming for tasks like pattern matching, searching, and replacing text. In Python, the re module provides functionalities for working with regular expressions. For instance, suppose you have a text document containing various email addresses and you want to extract only the email addresses from the text. By using regular expressions in Python, you can define a pattern that matches email addresses and extract them from the document. Overall, regular expressions offer a powerful way to manipulate and extract data from strings efficiently in programming languages like Python. Regular expressions utilize normal characters like letters or numbers to form simple patterns. For instance, if we use the pattern hello, it will match the string hello world. However, special characters such as scared, plus, and det hold distinct meanings within regular expressions. For instance, the asterisk char represents 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character, while the plus sign plus denotes one or more occurrences. This utilization of special characters enables the creation of more dynamic and precise patterns for text processing tasks. Meta characters are special characters in regular expressions that carry specific meanings. One example is the dot, which denotes a placeholder for any singular character except for a new line. In practice, utilizing the pattern A.C in a regular expression would successfully match strings like ABC, ADC, or AXC, among others. When working with regular expressions, quantifiers are utilized to indicate the number of times a character or group should occur. Common quantifiers include stro, indicating 0 or more occurrences, plus, indicating 1 or more occurrences, and dij, indicating 0 or 1 occurrence. Additionally, M specifies exactly M occurrences, M specifies at least M occurrences, and MN specifies between M and N occurrences. For example, a pattern A24 will match strings such as a, or as it requires the character A to occur between 2 and 4 times. To extract email addresses from a string, we can use regular expressions. The pattern to match email addresses is RBAZ9 plus M and AZ2. For instance, in Python, we can find all email addresses in a provided string by utilizing re.findall function. This function returns a list of email addresses found in the given text string. For example, if we have a text, please contact me at abc@example.com for more information. The code snippet given will output abc@example.com as the result. Regular expressions in Python are invaluable for manipulating strings efficiently. To utilize them effectively, it is crucial to grasp fundamental concepts like patterns, meta characters, and quantifiers. For instance, using the pattern D34 to validate a phone number input. Regular expressions require practice and experimentation to enhance proficiency. Mastering this skill allows for advanced string operations and data manipulation, leading to more efficient coding practices. Regular expressions in Python are like a powerful search engine for text, allowing you to find specific patterns or sequences of characters within a larger body of text. Think of regular expressions as a virtual detective that can sift through large amounts of text to find exactly what you're looking for. Just like a detective uses clues and evidence to solve a case, regular expressions use symbols and rules to match patterns in text data. By using regular expressions, you can quickly and efficiently extract or manipulate specific parts of text data without having to manually search through it yourself. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. This technical narration provides an in-depth explanation of how regular expressions are implemented in Python. Regular expressions play a crucial role in text processing by allowing users to define specific patterns to search for within text data. The example code showcases a simple scenario where we aim to identify words that start with the letter P in a sample text. The re module is imported to enable working with regular expressions in Python. The regular expression pattern RBPWB+ is defined to target words beginning with P. B signifies a word boundary. W+ matches one or more word characters. The re.findAll function is then utilized to locate all instances of the specified pattern within the sample text. By using re.ignoreCase, the search is case insensitive, ensuring matches regardless of letter case. Subsequently, the program outputs all identified words starting with P from the input text. This outcome demonstrates the successful application of regular expressions in isolating specific patterns within textual content. Real-world applications of using regular expressions in Python include validating input data such as emails, phone numbers, or passwords, text mining and natural language processing tasks, data cleaning and manipulation in data science projects. By leveraging regular expressions effectively, Python users can enhance text processing capabilities and streamline pattern recognition tasks within their applications. Another example where regular expressions are widely used in industrial applications is in web scraping. Web scraping is the process of extracting information from websites, and regular expressions play a crucial role in parsing and extracting specific data from the HTML content of web pages. For instance, a company might use Python's re module to build a web scraper that extracts email addresses from a web page. By defining a regular expression pattern that matches the typical structure of an email address, e.g., pattern equal rbaz9 spec plus @azz to b, the program can efficiently find and extract email addresses embedded within the HTML content of the web page. By utilizing regular expressions, the web scraper can sift through large amounts of text, identify patterns that resemble email addresses, and extract them for later use. This automation of data extraction is crucial for applications such as lead generation, market research, and competitive analysis. Regular expressions in Python provide a powerful tool for handling text data efficiently and parsing specific patterns, making them indispensable in a wide range of industrial applications. Across the globe, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.